SApcPro, always protect.
Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to use taskbar on full screen in Windows 10. So the first way is to click Start button and click the settings. And go to personalization. And now click the Start menu and click Use Start Full Screen. So the second way is to right click in Desktop and click Personalize. And open the Start menu here and click this button. So now let's test it. So let's click the Start button and see what's happening. Yes, the Start is on full screen and it's fully working. So bye guys, and see you later in the next video.